Good morning, traders, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. So we've ended up with another red day, but it's almost like it's a red confused day, and it's been 3 days in a row like that. So normally, with when you get a red day, you get these big moves to the downside. It always moves very quickly to the downside in comparison to the upside. But this is really not moving. It's just like mucking around. So I'm still staying far away from the DAX. I'm not really interested in this. The Dow and the DAX, the Dow and the S&P are offering a little bit of better trading opportunities, and the forex pairs are really starting to come alive as well. So there's a lot more to worry about than trying to squeeze something out of the DAX. And I've learned the hard way, when an index doesn't fit towards what your strategy is, stay away from it, because you're just going to get yourself burnt. Anyway, so let's just have a look at some things that have transpired. So the first thing is this trend line. Okay, it was tested and then it's been tested again. If I look to the left, there is support here, okay, at 12936. So there is some opportunities here to start looking at buying opportunities. Problem is, we've got this gap to the downside. Okay, so we've got that gap was closed, but this gap is open. So it wouldn't surprise me to see us back into underneath this trend line, come down and close this gap and find support further down, which would be at 12,800. So that's the one scenario. If we just look at the hour, there's nothing here that is indicating we need to be looking for longs. I suppose if you really want to be scalping this thing, there are probably lots of opportunities from a 15 or a 5-minute chart. There's a bit of a head and shoulders here forming as well, but I'm just not interested in that. I really am looking for a trending market, and this is not a trending market. So levels to watch pretty much is where we are, where we've closed, 12,936. We get below that, then I would assume this gap will close at 12,800. That should offer some buying opportunities, and probably just back to 12,936. If I look at what's happening now, DAX futures is up 0.6%. It was down 0.67% yesterday, and we're up 0.6% at the moment. So anybody's guess as to what's going on here. So we are hovering around 1300 at the moment on the DAX. So somewhere up over here, I think. Yeah, so we're hovering around this area here at the moment. That could be, it's pretty close where we closed. But you can see shoulder, head, shoulder. Could be head and shoulders here. It's just too messy. So guys, for me, this is not something I want to trade. I'm actually not even going to try and second guess this, because I'll probably just get it wrong. So so for me, I'm staying well away from this. Not even interested in getting in on this. Not even the 15-minute is exciting me. Apart from the fact that we're below the moving average and trending. Yesterday, you can see nothing much up above the moving average, down below. We tested it there. Probably 2 opportunities for short scalps there onto structure. But that's it. There's nothing really else that's transpiring on this thing at the moment. Just on the weekly, let's just touch the weekly quickly to see if there's anything. I just want to delete all the noise. So you can see this weekly level we're still flirting with. But watch this. Up 1 week, down 1 week. Up 1 week, down 1 week. Sign of confusion. Anyway, so this 1300 area is a pretty big level for the DAX, and I expect it to float around here for a little bit longer before it either breaks it to the upside or rejects it and moves to the downside. So the monthly was also a little bit of selling coming off the top here. Not a very pretty picture at the moment, not with that lower high from the previous month, and also a bit of a pin bar, not a proper pin bar, but a little bit of a pin bar. Anyway, so I'm now looking for opportunities, reasons to trade, which is the wrong thing to do. There's nothing for me here, not interested in this, and we'll watch it every day to see if something changes, but right now there are better opportunities elsewhere. Anyway, hope it helps somebody, and I will get back to you later. Cheers for now.